Sometimes you are not waiting for an answer, you are waiting for the courage to accept the one already shown to you. There are no harsh words, no clear rejection, and no direct goodbye. Yet their behavior slowly changes. Conversations become shorter, effort becomes smaller, and clarity never arrives. You keep telling yourself they are confused, busy, or overwhelmed. But Islam teaches us that actions are a language. When a person repeatedly shows distance, avoidance, and hesitation, it is often not uncertainty, it is a quiet decision. The heart struggles because hope is strong, but reality is gentle and consistent. Today, we will understand how someone can decide without saying it, why it hurts to accept, and how a believer protects their dignity while trusting Allah. Actions speak longer than words. You may hear reassuring words and still feel unsettled inside. They say they care, they promise effort, and they speak gently, yet something in their behavior feels inconsistent. The believer learns that the heart notices what the mind tries to ignore. Words can be chosen carefully, but actions reveal natural intention. Islam teaches sincerity appears through consistent behavior. When someone truly wants a place in your life, their effort gradually becomes clearer, not weaker. A single kind conversation may comfort you, but repeated distance teaches you more. The heart is not confused without reason. It senses when words and behavior do not match. You are not being negative by noticing patterns. You are being aware. Sometimes you hold tightly to their statements because they give you hope. You remember promises and replay encouraging sentences, yet days pass and the actions remain small. Plans are postponed, calls are delayed, and presence is uncertain. The believer reflects on what continues, not what appears briefly. Anyone can speak kindly in a moment. Commitment appears through reliability over time. Islam encourages us to value deeds more than speech because deeds require intention. Words can be offered easily, but consistent effort requires decision. When effort fades repeatedly, the message becomes clearer than reassurance. You may also notice they apologize often but change little. They regret absence, yet repeat it. They promise to improve, yet behavior returns to the same pattern. Apology without adjustment becomes comfort, not correction. The believer shows mercy, but also wisdom. Forgiveness does not require ignoring reality. Real sincerity produces gradual change. If a person wants to remain, they move towards stability naturally. Repeated explanation without improvement is not growth, it is delay. The heart recognizes this before the mind accepts it. There are moments when they appear attentive again. They show care suddenly, and hope returns quickly. You feel relieved and believe things are finally different. Yet, after some time, distance appears once more. This cycle confuses the heart because the kindness feels genuine. But Islam teaches to observe consistency. Genuine intention does not appear only occasionally. It becomes steady. Temporary closeness followed by repeated withdrawal communicates uncertainty more clearly than silence. You might find yourself explaining their behavior to protect your hope. You think they are stressed, distracted, or overwhelmed. Compassion is beautiful, but compassion must include honesty with yourself. When patterns repeat without change, the explanation matters less than the reality. A believer understands that Allah shows truth through repetition. The same outcome appearing again and again is guidance, not coincidence. Your heart is being shown what words are avoiding. Sometimes they express future plans without taking present steps. They speak about what could happen but never build what is happening. Promises remain ideas rather than actions. The believer values direction over imagination. Islam teaches that intention appears in deeds. A person who sincerely wants closeness does not remain only in possibility. They move gently towards certainty. When effort remains distant, the future being described may only be comfort for the moment. You may feel guilty noticing these signs. You worry you are impatient or ungrateful. Yet acknowledging reality is not harshness, it is clarity. Islam does not ask you to ignore what consistently hurts your peace. Protecting your heart from confusion is not pride, it is dignity. A believer observes behavior calmly and avoids forcing meaning where none is shown. Over time, you realize your waiting has become longer than their effort. You are investing emotion while receiving uncertainty. This imbalance exhausts the heart quietly. Words keep hope alive, but actions keep peace alive. Without consistent action, the heart remains unsettled. The believer learns to measure sincerity by presence, not by reassurance. You also notice that when you step back, their attention briefly increases. Yet once comfort returns, the behavior repeats. This reveals reaction rather than decision. They respond to losing comfort, not to choosing commitment. Understanding this protects your heart from misreading kindness. You can appreciate their good character without assuming a future. In the end, actions speak gently but clearly. They show whether someone is moving toward you or remaining uncertain about you. The believer listens without resentment. Acceptance does not require anger. It requires honesty. When you trust what you consistently see, you preserve your dignity and your peace, and you leave the rest to Allah, who never confuses a heart that seeks truth. You are interpreting, not receiving. Sometimes you are not actually receiving commitment, you are constructing it. You listen carefully to their words, notice small gestures, and then your mind begins filling the spaces between them. You interpret pauses as meaning, delayed replies as hidden emotion, and brief kindness as proof of deeper intention. The heart wants certainty, so it creates explanations. Yet Islam teaches us to distinguish between what is shown and what is imagined. When a person truly chooses you, their actions communicate clearly without your effort to decode them. If your peace depends on analyzing behavior, you are not receiving clarity. You are building hope from fragments. You may spend long moments replaying conversations, searching for hints in tone or phrasing. A simple sentence feels significant because you attach meaning to it. You begin asking yourself what they really meant rather than what they actually said. The believer recognizes that sincere connection does not require constant interpretation. Honest affection is understandable without effort. When you must repeatedly translate behavior to reassure yourself, the heart is working harder than the relationship itself. Islam values ease in what is written for you, not exhaustion in guessing. Often you excuse their absence before they explain it. You defend them internally so you do not feel hurt. You say they are busy, distracted, or unsure. Compassion is noble, but self-deception weakens peace. You are protecting hope, not receiving commitment. A believer understands that Allah guides through reality. If effort appears rarely, the message is already present. Explaining their behavior for them does not create sincerity. It only prolongs waiting. You might notice you feel relieved after small attention. A brief message comforts you more than it should. This relief shows how little you have actually received. The heart becomes grateful for minimal effort because it fears losing connection entirely. Islam teaches dignity. Dignity means your emotional security should not depend on occasional reassurance. When care is real, you do not feel surprised by it. It becomes normal rather than rare. You may also hold on to future possibilities they mentioned. You remember statements about what could happen one day, yet the present remains unchanged. The believer learns that intention appears through action, not through suggestion. Words about tomorrow cannot replace behavior today. If you are waiting for a future that never begins, you are interpreting hope rather than receiving commitment. Sometimes you feel confused because they never rejected you directly. You believe absence of rejection means acceptance. Yet silence is not always uncertainty. Silence can be avoidance. Islam encourages clarity because it protects hearts. A person who sincerely wants you does not keep you emotionally suspended. If you must continually guess your place has not been offered. Your mind may become busy while your heart grows tired. You analyze patterns, remember details, and search for reassurance. This mental effort becomes exhausting. The believer understands that relationships should bring calmness, not constant thinking. When you are interpreting more than you are experiencing, your heart is living in possibility instead of reality. You might fear asking directly because you worry about losing them, so you continue interpreting quietly, yet fear keeps you attached to uncertainty. Faith invites courage. Honest questions do not destroy what is meant for you, they reveal it. What disappears after clarity was never stable. You begin realizing that their effort remains the same while your explanation increases. The more you rationalize, the less you receive. This imbalance becomes visible with reflection. Allah shows guidance through patterns, not only through statements. Your heart sees truth before your mind accepts it. In the end, you do not need to interpret consistent behavior. You need to acknowledge it. When someone truly values you, you feel secure without constant analysis. You rest instead of guessing. Acceptance frees you from mental effort and restores your peace. Trust what is repeatedly shown, and trust Allah to guide your heart toward what is clear and sincere. Delay is also a form of decision. There are situations where no one clearly says no, yet nothing truly moves forward. Conversations continue, but direction never appears. You remain present in each other's lives, yet the relationship stays undefined. You tell yourself they need time, and you call your waiting patience, but the believer reflects honestly. Time that brings no clarity is itself communicating something. Islam teaches that intention eventually seeks expression. When a person repeatedly postpones commitment, hesitation becomes a message. Silence over a long period is not empty. It speaks gently through delay. You may hold onto the hope that one day they will be ready. You think circumstances must improve first, yet months pass and the position remains the same. Plans are discussed but not arranged. Conversations are kind but not decisive. The heart waits for change that never comes. The believer learns that sincere interest moves gradually towards certainty. Even cautious people move forward in small, clear steps. When movement does not appear at all, waiting becomes attachment rather than patience. Delay often feels kinder than rejection. They do not want to hurt you, so they keep the connection alive without defining it. They speak enough to maintain closeness, but not enough to build stability. You remain emotionally connected while lacking security. Islam values honesty because it protects both hearts. Avoiding truth to prevent discomfort may create longer pain. The believer recognizes that indefinite hesitation is not protection, it is prolonging uncertainty. You may interpret delay as careful thinking. You respect their need to decide. Yet a decision about a valued relationship does not remain suspended forever. People act when something matters clearly to them. They may move slowly, but they move. When effort remains paused for a long time, the pause itself becomes the answer. The heart struggles to accept this because hope feels safer than finality. Faith, however, teaches acceptance of what is shown. Sometimes you notice they appear attentive when distance increases. They re-engage briefly and reassure you, then return to uncertainty again. This cycle keeps hope alive. Each moment of attention resets your waiting, yet consistency never follows. Islam teaches the believer to observe patterns. Repeated hesitation reveals inner conclusion, even if words remain gentle. Their heart has not chosen, and absence of choice over time becomes a quiet refusal. You might fear asking directly because you worry the connection will end, so you remain patient outwardly while anxious inwardly. The believer understands that patience does not mean ignoring reality. Patience means trusting Allah while facing truth calmly. Seeking clarity respectfully does not break what is written for you. It reveals whether it exists. Delay also affects your peace. You think about possibilities often and measure small signs carefully. Your mind becomes occupied because uncertainty keeps the heart engaged. A clear answer, even painful, would settle your thoughts faster than continuous waiting. Islam encourages tranquility. A connection that prevents tranquility requires reflection. You may feel compassion for their uncertainty. Perhaps they are genuinely unsure. Compassion is valuable, but your heart also deserves protection. You cannot live indefinitely in someone else's indecision. Faith teaches balance, mercy toward others, and honesty toward yourself. Accepting their delay as a message does not mean blaming them, it means acknowledging reality. Over time, you realize that your life has been paused emotionally. You wait before making decisions, hoping clarity will appear, yet your days continue while certainty does not. The believer learns that trusting Allah includes moving forward when guidance appears. Releasing waiting is not giving up. It is accepting what has been shown repeatedly. In the end, delay becomes a decision without harsh words. They may never say it directly, but their actions communicate gently. Accepting this truth frees your heart from constant anticipation. You are not rejected, you are redirected. Allah does not leave the believer confused without purpose. What stays uncertain repeatedly was never meant to anchor your peace. When you trust this, you step forward with dignity and calmness. Allah shows you through patterns. Sometimes clarity does not arrive in a single moment. Instead, it appears slowly through repetition. You notice the same behavior returning again and again. Promises come, then disappear. Closeness increases briefly, then distance follows. At first, you dismiss it as coincidence, but the pattern continues. Islam teaches that Allah guides the believer gently. Not every lesson is spoken directly. Some truths are revealed through what keeps repeating. When the same outcome appears despite different conversations, the heart is being shown something it has not yet accepted. Guidance can come quietly, through experience. You may initially explain each situation separately. You tell yourself, this time is different, that circumstances changed, yet the result returns unchanged. The believer reflects on continuity, not only on individual moments. Patterns carry meaning because they show intention over time. Words may comfort you once, but repetition reveals reality. Allah does not rush the heart into painful acceptance. He allows understanding to grow gradually so bitterness does not form. Often your heart recognizes the pattern before your mind agrees. You feel uneasy after each cycle ends the same way. You notice you are no longer surprised by the distance. Familiar disappointment replaces confusion. This awareness is not negativity, it is perception. Islam encourages reflection, and reflection includes noticing repeated outcomes. When behavior stays consistent, it becomes communication without speech. You may also notice that reassurance appears after distance. They comfort you when you step back, then return to previous habits once closeness resumes. The cycle continues predictably. This pattern shows reaction rather than decision. Allah allows you to see this repeatedly so you understand without accusation. The believer accepts what is revealed through time rather than forcing explanation. Sometimes you wish for a direct statement so you can stop wondering. Yet Allah knows sudden truth can hurt more than gradual realization. Patterns prepare the heart gently. Each repetition softens attachment. You begin accepting what you once resisted. Instead of asking why, you start understanding how. Guidance unfolds slowly, so your heart remains calm rather than resentful. You may try to focus on the positive moments and ignore the pattern. Hope prefers isolated kindness over repeated distance, but the believer balances hope with awareness. Islam does not ask you to deny goodness, yet it asks you to see reality fully. When the same behavior continues, it becomes a lesson. The lesson is not about blame, it is about clarity. Patterns also protect you from self-doubt. Instead of wondering if you misunderstood once, you recognize consistency. The heart stops accusing itself. You see that the situation is not temporary confusion but repeated behavior. Allah shows you gently so you can release without anger. Acceptance grows naturally when truth appears repeatedly. You may feel sadness as realization deepens. Accepting patterns means letting go of imagined futures. Yet sadness does not mean harm, it means awareness. Islam allows grief but guides it toward trust. Allah does not show you patterns to hurt you. He shows them to protect you from deeper attachment to uncertainty. Gradually, you notice peace returning when you stop resisting what you see. You no longer analyze each moment intensely. You recognize the direction without needing confirmation. The believer trusts signs revealed through time. What is meant for you will not require repeated disappointment to remain. In the end, patterns are a form of mercy. Allah teaches the heart patiently, not harshly. He reveals truth through continuity, so acceptance replaces confusion. When you accept what is consistently shown, you preserve your dignity and your calm. You step forward trusting that what repeats distance was never written to stay, and what is written will arrive without needing repeated proof. Acceptance protects your peace. Acceptance is often misunderstood. Many people think accepting reality means giving up or admitting defeat. In truth, acceptance is clarity. It is the moment you stop fighting what has already been shown to you. You are not forcing an ending, you are recognizing one that quietly appeared. Islam teaches the believer to align the heart with truth, not with hope alone. When you keep resisting reality, your mind remains restless. But when you acknowledge what is present, the heart begins to calm. Peace does not come from holding on, it comes from understanding. You may feel that letting go lowers your value, as if you did not matter enough. Yet your worth was never determined by another person's decision. A believer knows dignity comes from Allah, not from someone choosing to stay. Acceptance does not reduce your importance, it protects it. You stop trying to convince someone to see you, and instead you trust Allah who already sees you completely. This realization removes the heavy burden of proving yourself. Often the pain continues because you keep asking questions. Why did they change? Why did they not try harder? Why did they not speak clearly? These questions keep your heart tied to something already moving away. Acceptance gently ends the interrogation. You may never receive every explanation you wanted, but you gain something more valuable: calm. Islam reminds us that not all answers come through people. Some answers come through letting go. You begin noticing that your thoughts become quieter. You stop replaying conversations constantly. Your mind no longer searches for hidden meanings in small details. The emotional tension that followed you daily begins to loosen. This is the first sign of peace returning. The believer realizes that acceptance is not emotional coldness. It is emotional relief. You are no longer negotiating with uncertainty. There is also dignity in stepping back without anger. You do not need to accuse or expose. You simply reduce your emotional involvement. Islam teaches that the strongest person is not the loudest one, but the one who controls their reactions. By accepting what has been shown, you avoid unnecessary conflict. You leave gently rather than breaking harshly. This preserves your character and your inner calm. Acceptance also restores your connection with Allah. When your heart was attached to uncertainty, your thoughts were occupied constantly. You prayed while distracted and reflected while worried. Now your attention returns to worship. You begin making dua with sincerity rather than desperation. You trust that Allah knows what you could not fix. This trust becomes soothing. Your reliance shifts from a person to your Lord. You may still feel sadness. Acceptance does not erase emotion instantly. The believer allows grief, but does not let grief control direction. You acknowledge the good memories without clinging to them. You remember kindness without rebuilding attachment. Over time, sadness becomes softer. It no longer dominates your days. Peace gradually replaces heaviness. You also notice your self-respect growing. You no longer wait for reassurance or measure your worth by attention. Your time and energy return to your life. You reconnect with responsibilities, family, and personal growth. Acceptance frees emotional space. Instead of watching someone's behavior, you begin living your own life again. Eventually, you realize that acceptance was not loss, it was protection. Allah removed you from confusion before deeper hurt formed. What felt like rejection becomes redirection. You see how uncertainty was draining your heart quietly. By accepting reality, you stepped out of emotional exhaustion. In the end, acceptance protects your peace because it aligns you with what Allah has allowed. You stop resisting His wisdom and begin trusting it. The heart rests when it stops holding on to what is not holding on to it. You move forward gently, knowing that you do not need anger to move forward, you need understanding. If someone has already made a decision, you do not lose. By accepting it, you gain peace. Allah does not remove something from your life without seeing what it was doing to your heart. What is written for you will come with certainty, not confusion, and what repeatedly distances itself was never meant to stay. Trust Allah. The one who closes a door quietly is preparing a place where your heart will finally feel secure.